Hello students, in previous video we have learned how to find LCM by using prime factorization. Now today we will do some question based on it. As we have started worksheet number 10, so we will do one or two questions of this worksheet. Let us take G part. Here you have to find the LCM of 36 and 45. Now for that, first of all we have to do the prime factorization of 36 and 45. Now we know that 36 is an even number because 6 comes in the table of 2. So 36 will also come in the table of 2. So 2, 18 is 36. Now again 18 is an even number. It comes in the table of 2. So 2 9s are 18. Then 3 is an odd number, so it will not come in the table of 2. So recite the table of 3 3s are 9. And now 3 is a prime number, so it will not come in any other numbers table. So 3 1s are 3. And now we get 1. So this is the prime factorization of 36. Now we will do the prime factorization of 45. Now as I have already told you that when the digit at ones place is 5 or 0, then the number will definitely come in the table of 5. So we will divide it by 5 because 5 is a prime number, and in prime factorization we use only prime numbers. So 5 9s are 45. Now 9 comes in the table of 3, so 3 3s are 9, and 3 is a prime number, so 3 1s are 3. Now we'll write the prime factorization of 36, prime factorization of 36, and prime factorization of 45. So for writing the prime factorization, we will write the numbers which are on the left side of this line. So it is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we will write the prime factorization of 45. It is 5 into 3 into 3. Now LCM of 36 and 45. Now what we do to find the LCM? For that we have to see the common things first. What is common here? That is 3 and 1 3 here. Anything else which is common? No. So we will write the common things once. So 3 and 3. I have written this 3 one time and this 3 once. Now we will write the remaining factors, that is 2, 2 and 5. 2 into 2 into 5. So now what is the LCM? Multiply all these numbers. So 3 3 are 9, 9 2 is 18, and 18 2 is 36, 36 5 is. So if you don't know, 36 5 is 180, 5 6 is 30, 3 5 3 15, 3 is 180. So LCM is 180. So in this way you can multiply them. First of all multiply two numbers, then multiply third number with the answer of two numbers, then multiply next number with the answer of this, then and so on. Now we will take the last J part of this question, number 2. It is, that is, we have to find the LCM of 54 and 38. So first of all do the prime factorization, 54 and 38. So it is an even number, so we will recite the table of 2 because 4 comes in the table of 2, so it is an even number, and 54 definitely comes in the table of 2. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. I have done this orally. If you want to do it divided, then you can do it on the rough side. Now 27 is an odd number, and we know that 27 comes in the table of 3. 3 is a prime number. 3 9 is a 27. Now again 9 comes in the table of 3. 3 3 is a 9, and 3 is a prime number, so it comes in its own table. Now we get 1, so prime factorization is done. Now the next number is 38. Do the prime factorization of 38. So it is an even number. Again it will come in the table of 2. So 2, 19 is a 38. Now 19 is a prime number, so it will not comes in the table of any other number. So we will recite the table of 19 only. 19 ones are 19. Now the prime factorization of 54 and prime factorization of 38. So prime factorization of 54 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3, 3 and 3. And the prime factorization of 38 is 2 multiplied by 19. Now LCM. First of all, take the common things. So here 2 is common. Any other thing which is common in these two lines? No, nothing. Only 2 is common. So we will write this 2 first, and then we will write the remaining things, that is 3, 3, 3 and 19. So 3, 3, 3 and 19. Now multiply all these numbers. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, and 18 3s are 54. Now 54 19s are, we will multiply it. 9 4s are 36, and 9 5s are 45, plus 3 is 48, and then when we multiply a number by 1 we will get the same answer. Then it is 6, 1026. So 1026 is our LCM. So in this way we can find out the LCM by using prime factorization method. Now our chapter is finished. We will move to the brain teaser of this chapter. Here is the first question, that is multiple choice question. Tick the correct answer. Now the first question is, which of the following is not a factor of 48? Is not a, that means you have to see which of these number is not a factor. So for that you have to divide this 48 by these numbers. If the remainder is 0, then it is divisible. If the remainder is not 0, then it is not a factor. Or you can say, if 48 comes in the table of these numbers, then these numbers are the factors, otherwise they are not. So अगर ये 48 इनके टेबल में आ जाता है, let us recite the table of 6. So 6 7s are 42 and 6 8s are 48. So we know 6 8s are 48. So 48 comes in the table of 6. So it is a factor of 48. Now come to the next number, that is 7. We know that's 7 6s are 42 and 7 7s are 49. So 48 does not comes in the table of 7. So 7 is not a factor of 48. So we have to find not a factor. So 7 is not a factor of 48. Now let us check the other numbers also. 12. Recite the table of 12. 12 4s are 48. So 48 comes in the table of 12. Now recite the table of 48. You know 48 1s are 48. So our answer is 7. Now next one is, which of the following is a prime number? So you have to check all these numbers whether they are prime or not, and you have to tick the number which is prime. So 91. So 91 comes in the table of 13. I hope that all of you have learned the tables till 20, because I am always saying that learn the tables up to 20. You have a lot of time. If you have not learned, then learn it by heart. Tables till 20. So 91 comes in the table of 13. 13 sevens are 91. So it is not a prime number. Now 57. 57 comes in the table of 19. 19 threes are 57. So it is again not a prime number, because prime numbers are those numbers which does not comes in the table of any other number. That means it has only two distinct factor, that is 1 and the number itself. So 91 13 के टेबल में आ रहा है तो ये प्राइम नहीं है. 57 19 के टेबल में आ रहा है तो अगेन इट इज नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. नेक्स्ट इज योर 97. So 97 does not comes in any numbers table. ये आप चेक कर सकते हैं. So it is a prime number. Now 81 you know that it comes in the table of 9. 9 9s are 81. So it is again not a prime number. Now the LCM of 10, 20 and 25 is, you have to find the LCM of these three numbers. Now you have learned to find the LCM of two numbers by prime factorization method. We have not learned how to find the LCM of three numbers by prime factorization. So we will find the LCM by writing the multiples of these numbers, because we have learned two methods to find the LCM. One is by writing the multiples and second by prime factorization method. And prime factorization method we have not learned how to find the LCM of three numbers. So we will do the method in which we have to write the multiples. So we will do it. We will find the LCM of, so we will write the multiples of 10, then multiples of 20, and then multiples of 25. So write these. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, then 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and so on. Then write the multiples of 20. Write the table of 2 and then put 1 0 on right side. 2 twos are 4, 40, 2 threes are 6, 60, 2 fours are 8, 80, 2 fives are 10, 100, 2 sixes are 12, 120, 2 sevens are 14, 140, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So in this way you can write the table of 20. Now 25. Table of 25. 25 twos are 50, then 75, then 100, then again, and we have forgot to write the first multiple, that is 20, and here 25. We have to write the first multiples also. Then 100, then again it will start repeating 25, 50, 75, 100. So again 125, then 150, then 175, then instead of 100 we will write 200. Then again it will start repeating 25, 225, then 250 and so on. Now find out the common multiple. So common multiple, or you can write down the LCM directly. The first common multiple in these three lines. So here 20 is present here and 20 is also in the second line, but 20 is not in the third line, so it is not common. Now next common number, 50 is present here and 50 is also present here, but it is not present in the second line. So you can see here that 100 is present in the first line, 100 is also present in the second line, and 100 is also present in the third line. And except these, there is no any other number which is common. Before this, before 100 कोई भी ऐसा number नहीं है जो common हो. So it is the least common multiple. So 100 is our answer. Let us check whether is there any option 100 or not. So yes, there is 100, 20, 50 and 100, 75. So 100 is our answer. Now next, the prime factorization of 36. So this is a very easy question. Just check all the factors. If all the factors are prime, then it is a prime factorization. If all the factors are not prime, then it is not a prime factorization. So 4 3 are 12 and 12 3 are 36. But here 4 is not a prime number, so it is not a prime factorization. Now 2 2s are 4 and 4 9s are 36. But here 9 is not a prime number, so it is again not a prime factorization. Now 12 3s are 36, but here 12 is again not a prime number, so it is again not a prime factorization. Now the last one, 2 2s are 4, 4 3 are 12 and 12 3 are 36. So here all the factors are prime numbers, so yes, it is a prime factorization, because we know that in prime factorization all the numbers should be prime. Now E part, 48 has dash factors, so now you have to count the number of factors the 48 have. So we will do it in the notebook. Find out the factors of 48. Let us check, because for 2-digit number we have to recite the table of single digit numbers only. So 1, first of all, 148 is a 48. And it also comes in the table of 2 because it is an even number. So 2 24 is a 48. You can divide it if you have confusion. 2 2 is a 4, 0, then 8, 2 4 is a 8. Then it also comes in the table of 3. You can check here. 3 1s are 3, 18, 3 6 are 18. So 3 16s are 48. Now it also comes in the table of 4. So 4 1s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So 4 12s are 48. Now it does not comes in the table of 5 because 5 के टेबल में वही नंबर्स आते हैं जिनके लास्ट, दैट मीन्स वंस प्लेस पे 0 and 5 होता है. So it does not comes in the table of 5. Now it also comes in the table of 6. 6 8s are 48. Now it does not comes in the table of 7. 7 6 are 42 and 7 7s are 49. Now again it comes in the table of 8, so we have already written 8 6 are 48, so done. Now it does not comes in the table of 9 and 10. So we have recited the table of single digit numbers. Now we can find out the factors. So count the number of factors. So factors of 48 are, I hope that you have remember how to find the factors. We have already done in the worksheet. So it is 1 2 3 4 6, 1 2 3 4 6, then 8 12 16 12 16 24 and 48. Now count the number of factors. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So there are 10 factors. Let us see, is there any option of 10? So yes, 48 has 10 factors. So you can write here 10 factors. So this is the MCQs, first question. In next video we will discuss the remaining questions of brain teasers. Thank you.